Bro, parang kinakarma ako dun sa ano sa sinabi ko sa'yo na kasi inaasar kita sa Lakers na eliminated 5 ngayon. Nagkaka-flashbacks ako bro, yung 3-1 collapse na naman.
Cleveland,
If there's
Cleveland.
gonna be a 3-1 collapse, gonna be the Warriors. Sana hindi mangyari pero nangangamoy ganun eh. And with the way things are going, all the momentum right now with Houston, papunta sila sa home floor nila. It was a weird game to watch for me, especially yung
Too
big drought
tough.
nila ng fourth quarter. It was crazy. Parang dikit all the way tapos biglang fourth quarter, bakit 105-89 na to bigla na lang bumitaw
Lumayo.
yung lumayo yung Houston. And for you Manong, like watching this game, saan nagkulang yung Warriors? Ano yung parang what was missing with them
Alam mo,
right now?
sa akin kasi, bro, mabigat yung pagkapanalo ng Houston. Sobrang
Mm.
convincing eh. Yung alam mo yung kontrolado nila all aspects. Alam mo yun, kahit
Convinced ka, 'di ba? Kaya
oo,
natatakot ako. Sabi ko,
parang,
fuck, ang convincing ng
totoo,
laro
I
nila
mean, may,
kanina.
may point ka naman as a Warriors fan. May point ka to actually be worried. Kasi yung
Oo.
panalo, alam mo yung hindi yung tapos biglang shot, sayang. Ano
Mm.
eh, medyo mabigat eh. Parang, alam mo yung kinakayod ng Golden State. So, that's the scary part. Hindi yung
Mm.
scary part. And Houston kasi isa sila sa mga teams na tamang mix of younger guys and I would say vets. I would consider, si Dylan Brooks, hindi naman siya ganun katanda. Pero
He's a vet though. He is a vet for them.
been there, done that. Has been
Mm.
in the playoffs multiple times with Memphis. Steven Adams, nandyan, di ba? And sa bench din, they have guys who contribute hindi man sa numbers but sa experience and sa knowledge ng laro. It's a scary situation right now for you guys, for the Bay Area fans. Ah, kasi yun nga pinag-usapan natin. Medyo
Kasama ka na sa
convincing eh.
bandwagon na to, by the way. Kasama ka na sa
Oh,
bandwagon na to. Wala na Lakers mo eh. Sabi ko, hapon, hapon. Sakay ka na
medyo
dito.
convincing kasi yung mga panalo, bro eh. 'Di ba? Mabigat eh.
Especially
Mabigat
at
yung
home.
panalo eh.
Nagnagawa nila yun.
Oo, sa GSW pa kaya medyo it's gonna be fun. Just like probably the Clippers Nuggets game 7, I think is gonna be similar.
Oh yeah.
Very,
We're gonna have
very,
two game sevens.
very physical, very what do you call this? Evenly fared match. Hindi mo alam kung sino
Mm.
talagang mananalo. But we'll see. We'll see. We'll see.
Ito Manong. So si ano kasi Steven Adams, he basically punished the Warriors inside, no? 17 points, 5 offensive rebounds, 3 blocks, 9 for 16 at the line, which is for Steven Adams average, which is just really good kasi parang 40% ng ata in average niya in his career. So 9 for
So they
16
did
is
the Haka Steven.
they try to do it pero 9 for 16 is not bad for his percentages, ha? More than 50% yan. So what do you think about the double bigs na sagot ni na Yudoka sa
Şengün
small
tsaka ni
ball,
ano.
Şengün and
Similar siya eh,
Adams?
bro. Similar siya sa Lakers series, bro.
The Wolves.
Yung,
Basically,
yung,
they are the Wolves here in this situation.
yung Gobert Reed,
Yeah.
tapos, meron kang Şengün tsaka Adams. Kalaban mo nga kay Adams, si Adams sobrang physical eh. I mean,
Sino tapat-tapat mo? Si Draymond Green, di ba? Parang,
not to
okay.
take away from Rudy pero
Iba laro nila. For sure. Iba laro
oo,
naman nila. Oo.
magkaiba silang laro. Pero again, lumabas yung advantage nila pagdating sa loob, 'di ba? I mean, kung meron kang ewan ko nga, I'm surprised Kevon Looney hasn't played that much.
He only played, oh sige, guess ka how many minutes he played kanina.
Nine?
Two.
Nine?
He only played 2 minutes. Garbage time.
No, 'di ba? Parang
Bakit? Ako parang bakit? TJD din.
no.
You have Trace
Oo,
Jackson Davis. You have Kevon Looney.
oo, 'di ba? Medyo
Quentin
kailangan
Post only, he played 18 minutes. 18 minutes but was a -9. But, yeah.
medyo kailangan nila yun. Pwede pa nga nilang isabay si Post sa si Looney eh. Tingin ko kaya yung
Yeah, cause
Davis.
ano, that's different styles. Post will
Oo, hindi,
space
kahit
the
yung
floor.
post Davis, saka or Looney Davis, alam mo yung ganun? So, Tingnan natin. Kuminga, 0 minutes again.
Yeah, he didn't play, no? Hindi siya talaga
Diba?
nilalaro ni
So,
Kerr.
ano kaya? I'm
Ikaw,
surprised.
Manong, like, you're the coach of the Warriors. You have these pieces with you, diba? You are looking at a double big situation. How would you attack this na you know
I
na
would,
ganito yung
I
kalaban
would,
mo?
I would probably match up properly.
Okay,
Siguro.
so for game 7, we're talking about a game 7.
Yeah,
You are
I
Coach
would
Steve
match
Kerr
up
in this
properly.
situation.
I would do a big as well, like the combinations I said. You could have a green,
Okay, Green's
a
your 4.
green
He's gonna be your
pole,
4 here.
yeah, and post Looney or Davis. Pwede ko pang
Okay.
gawing, minsan pwede ko pang gawing three, si Steph as a point guard, Jimmy as a
Okay.
two, Draymond Green as a three, maybe post as a four, Kevon Looney or Davis as a five. Mainly because what do you call this? I think
Sino?
Draymond,
Okay,
and then
Draymond.
those four can switch everything. Yung 1 to 4 mo, kaya mag-switch niyan kahit sino. Um, yun siguro. Yun siguro yung gagawin ko.
So parang ano, you will so basically nag-adjust ka na sa style of play ng Houston kasi at this point game 7, sige, gawin na natin to. This could be our last
Feeling ko
game.
hindi naman nila style of play yun eh. Parang it
It's
was just their
to counter the
adjustment eh.
Warriors.
Oo, parang let's say ganito lang ang pwede lang naman mangyari dyan is if the Warriors are killing the Rockets sa 3 points, mag-a-adjust talaga yung Houston dyan. But vice versa, if Houston kills them in the inside, walang i-a-adjust si Warriors kasi wala silang ginagamit na bigs eh. So, yun yung question mark. That's the question mark. That's one question I think they have to figure out in 24 hours or even more. So, yeah.
Kasi to Manong, no, like, so at this point at game 7, we're gonna see lineup changes, no? At if you are Steve Kerr, but he might most likely do some changes, no? Kanina kasi, yung iniba niya, before, it was Podziemski and Moody sa starting lineup. Kanina was Buddy Hield and Gary Payton who started. So,
So,
nag-change siya. So, kanina, was Draymond at the 5,
Hield, Butler,
Butler, Curry,
Steph, and okay.
Green. A small lineup. That's your starting 5 a while ago. So, di ba, like, I don't know. Di ako sure kung in-overthink ba ni Steve Kerr yung mga lineup changes at this point. Just trying to match Houston's physicality or like, okay,
Yeah.
parang paunahan like kumurap dito. Okay, we're gonna
Oo,
go
tama,
small, they're
tama.
gonna go big.
Yeah.
So,
Yun nga,
kaya,
like what I said earlier, kung sino unang mag-adjust eh, ganun lang naman yan. And ang kalaban lang kasi ng Golden State, wala silang i-adjust doon sa
mm,
pang kailangan nilang adjustan. Unlike the Houston Rockets, they can play small. They can
mm,
have Eason on the 4, Sengun on the 5, Dylan Brooks, Van Vliet, and Jalen Green. Diba? Kaya nilang gawin yun kung gusto nilang maliit na lineup.
actually.
So, yun.
Do you still trust Stephen Curry to carry his team in a game 7? Or is this the beginning of the end of the dynasty? Or you still have one last trust in Steph na I have to wait for game 7? Or at this point, you're like, shit,
I
baka
gotta
ito na
see it.
yung,
I gotta see it. He's done it before, so I gotta see it. I
especially
believe
with
in
the
Steph.
Jimmy,
Yeah.
especially with the play of Jimmy.
Yeah. Just just make it a close game. Nothing like the past two. I think it's gonna be in the favor of GSW. Pagdikdikan.
Ito man, so Fred VanVleet kanina was, ito, I'm checking the stats, 29, 8, and 8. So played like a finals MVP. Shades of FVV, Toronto, na
Finals.
nasanay tayo, di ba?
Uh-huh.
Is this one of the key factors to stopping Houston for Game 7? You stop FVV, or marami ka ring iisipin na iba na, okay, you gotta stop FVV, you also gotta stop Şengün.
Siguro not really stop, but he can't play like he played today.
Ganda ng stats. 7 for 13, choker, diba?
Oo.
Usually choker. Tapos
Yun
biglang
nga,
sobrang
mataas,
efficient.
mataas masyado eh. Mataas masyado. So, sa NBA level kasi mahirap mo nang stopin yan. It's just a matter of who talaga eh. And percentages lang. Basta papababain lang nila yung porsyento. Yan. Tsaka I think
Pag, oo.
with
Sige, go.
with 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 Van Vliet, I think if they can deny him the ball at the first, I think that's better.
So make it
For
hard for
Franz
him
maybe.
to, ano,
Yeah, yeah.
like,
Get the
try
ball from the
mag-deny
beginning.
talaga.
Kasi ang mahirap kasi dyan is nakukumpas niya agad eh.
Mm.
So yun yung mahirap doon. He gets to his spots with, if you pick him up loosely, I mean, he's too good of a player to even have enough space. Diba? And he punished the Warriors this morning.
Dami nilang options. Ngayon mo na na-realize na Jalen Green had an off game and yet they won so convincingly. Di ba? So how do you attack? How do you set up your defense for Game 7? You're the Warriors. Like, sino yung focusan mo? Like, how do we do this? Like, what's
Ano na lang yun?
Mm.
It's who wants it more game, just like any other
Like, same
game
yung ano
7.
natin, like a Game
Just like
7 natin with the PB.
any other game 7 is who wants it more. I think this is where the youth in the Rockets will play in just as much as the experience of GSW will come into factor down the stretch. So, a game we gotta see, I guess.
Manong, if the Warriors lose Game 7, is it time to break the core up? Or run it back one more year? Kasi may isa pang year naman may yung kontrata ni Jimmy Butler, di ba? They resign him for 2 years. So, is
Uh-huh.
it too drastic to do a
Ah,
breaking the core up? Or ano muna, let's try trading Jonathan
wala.
Kuminga. Di na may magamit eh.
Oh, parang probably, I guess, now is the time to actually, with the successful teams. Sino ba yung mga successful teams ngayon?
Mm.
OKC,
Boston,
Boston,
Cleveland.
Cleveland,
Sino
Houston,
pa ba?
Denver.
Yeah,
Let's
yeah,
put,
pwede.
like, even the Clippers na. They have a legit big,
They
Clippers,
all
you got
have legit.
Zubac. Denver, obviously, you got Jokic. Uh, Houston, you got
Şengün
Adams. Not
and
even Sengun.
Şengün. Mm-mm.
But you have anchors.
You have okay, you're
Cleveland,
talking about anchors. Okay.
you have Jarrett Allen,
And Mobley.
Stephen
It's double,
Mobley.
double big din.
Uh, Boston, you got Kristaps, Harford,
Double big. They could.
um, and OKC, you got Hartenstein and Holmgren.
Yeah.
So nag-iiba na din ulit
Yung NBA,
nag-shift na
no?
ulit yung paggawa mo ng lineup.
It's interesting.
Natapos na ulit si small ball.
It's
Kasi
slowly
ngayon
trending
pati
to the old
kasi
times.
kasi ngayon pati yung mga malalaki kaya na din tumira ng 3 points, kaya na din umano ng mga sakto yan.
Is it
Kaya ng umano, kaya ng maging playmakers, 'di ba?
sa Japan
So,
ganun din ba? The bigs in Japan, can they also shoot the threes? Yung mga 4 and 5s?
yeah, yeah, yeah. Not even the local siguro, even our foreigners, yung mga imports namin.
They can shoot. May shooting.
Basically, you get fours that can be ball handlers as well. So, ganun talaga.
Oh, ito favorite part ko. Anong mangyayari sa Game 7? Ikaw muna.
But,
Ano?
you know,
Are you gonna
by
see
the
an
looks of
upset?
it, by the looks of it, this is one of the times that I hope I'm wrong, but I'm going
Okay.
with Houston.
Ako, ano pa rin. Ako naman yung ano natin ngayon, no? Like,
Syempre, wala kang magawa, bro.
how
Wala kang
you were
magawa.
with the
Tinan mo
Lakers.
naman yung
That's ano eh.
nakasabit.
Hindi
Tinan mo yung nakasabit
nakasabit.
sa jersey mo, di ba? Parang, hello?
Bigla ko mag-Houston. I vote for Houston. Parang gago.
Di ba?
Nandiyan yung jersey,
Wala,
no?
okay. Fake
So,
fan,
let's
fake
see.
fan.
Kung sinabi ko Houston, no? So, but, wait lang. When's the next game? The game is on
Friday? Ano? No,
Monday.
Saturday, Sunday.
8:30. 8:30 na Monday.
Monday, okay.
So,
Okay.
bago ko umalis, sakto, pwede tayo mag-react dyan sa
Yeah,
game
yeah,
na
yeah,
yan.
yeah, yeah. G and G.